Hello everyone. I'm not sure if this has started the same as last time. It's loading again on my end. But if you can hear me, hello. It is great to be here once again. This time I'm back making a craft once again. I'm super excited. Today is Monday, which means it's a brand new week for our summer adventure boxes. And that means it is a Color Me Crazy week. So we are going to start off our week with making some cool rainbow spinners. Monday! Woo! So, week 2. Yes, I'm so excited to get started into week 2. This craft, just to let you guys know, I kind of already did it. And it came out like this. It's super fun. I find that it's easier for mine if you spin it upside down, but we'll see how my next one goes. But this is what our finished product will look like today. I'm super excited to remake a new one because it was so fun. So, but before we get started on all of that, we are going to go over the materials that we need before we get started today. So, what I used to make mine is a skewer. Just beware of the pokey end. It's not too sharp if you're using a skewer, but please just beware. So I used a skewer. I also used a ruler to help me cut out the pieces that are these color pieces. Hello Guppy, welcome. Thanks for coming. Thanks for being here. I also used a pair of scissors to cut out everything. I used a glue stick to paste everything down. I also used a pencil just with my ruler to mark down measurements and stuff that I wanted for my sizes, just to make sure everything's straight and neat. I also used something circular. So this was in my recycling bin. I thought it was perfect because it had a nice circular shape to it. It's just the lid of a detergent bottle that I had. And I used that for the circle ends that we are going to be gluing our rainbow pieces to. So make sure you grab something that has a nice circle base to it that you can trace, okay? If you can find something around your house, in your kitchen, maybe in your bathroom, maybe with a toy or something, it works perfect. And then last but not least, oh no wait, there's one more. I use black paper for the base. You can see I cut out some circles already. We're going to need to cut out 4 circles from our paper. You can use any color paper that you wanted, but I just decided to use black. And then as you can see, I tried to get all the colors of the rainbow in there. So I have blue, green, pink, yellow, purple, red, pretty much all the colors of the rainbow. And this is where I will be cutting my strips from all these sheets of paper. So make sure you have some nice colored paper. Can't forget this lovely color for your spinners, okay? So, ooh, Sally's here. Hi, Sally. Welcome. It's gonna be so much fun. If you're not following along, I super suggest it because I honestly had so much fun making this myself. You're also going to need a hot glue gun with a glue stick just for the end to be secure. If you don't secure the end, then it's not really gonna do the effect when you twirl it because you need one to stay in place. So make sure you have a hot glue gun. So now that we have gone over all of that, I kind of want to adjust my computer. Oh, little bear's here. Hi, little bear. Welcome. I'm just gonna adjust my computer so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully it stays. If it falls, I'm really sorry for the ruckus. So make sure you have these materials before we get started. Okay, and your hot glue gun. I have it on like a piece of paper just so the hot glue doesn't drip on my desk. So before we get started, I think we'll start with these black circles. So you can go ahead, move everything. You're just going to need your pencil, your tracer, and some scissors. Okay. So I like to start at the edge just so it's easier to go in and cut out the circles. So I'm going to start on this edge here. My pencil going. And just trace out 4 circles. 1. It's kind of hard to see with the pencil, but I can kind of see it. 2. 3, and then we'll do 1 here. There we go. Okay. So now that you have got your... Ooh, yes, saves paper also. Yes, if you're reusing, it saves paper. I'm not going to grab a brand new piece of black new paper, right? Because there's still lots more to cut out. But yes, very good point. Saves paper also. So now I'm going to just grab my scissors. Now I don't need this. I can honestly just move this out of the way, even though it smells really good. And I'm just going to take my scissors, make sure it is okay with your parentals, your parents. If you are using scissors, if you are having trouble, ask somebody in your household for help. I'm sure somebody can help you. So I'm just going to cut out along my pencil line and cut out these 4 circles. I find that it's easier if you move the paper with the scissor as you're going around. Got 1 circle. I went outside today and I thought it was going to melt. It was so hot. Has anybody else gone outside today and was like, I'm gonna melt? 'Cause I sure did. There's 2 circles. And 3. Almost done. Number 4. You do not have to cut as fast as I am. Please take your time. And voila! We have 4 circles. It is toasty today. Make sure you're drinking lots of water. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Please drink lots of water. Water is essential for days like today. And sunscreen. So now that I have 4 circles, I'm just going to take them and move them aside because I don't need them anymore. Now we're going to take our color piece of paper. You can start with any color. And you're going to grab your ruler a pencil, and we are going to make strips. So I made my strips. I started and I was thinking to myself, how wide do I want it to be? So I thought 1.5 centimeters. So just to there would be good. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my pencil and tick off where it has the 1.5 centimeters. Then I'm gonna do it on the other end. Put these 1.5 centimeters and just line it off. Now, to make this nice and straight, you're going to connect these lines with your ruler as best as you can. And you're going to take your pencil and just connect those 2 lines. Make sure you hold the ruler because it can sometimes slip when you're applying pressure to the side. So just make sure you're holding it tightly, and then you'll see I have this. I wonder, is it hard to see? Yes, I love this color. It's so pretty. I thought so too. Maybe if I turn this light off, I don't know. But we have this pencil line now. So now I'm gonna just take my scissors and I'm gonna cut it out. I don't think I'm gonna go as long. I think I might stop maybe about there. That was just random. You can do it however long you want. So I'm gonna take my centimeter. So I actually am gonna take off 7 centimeters. So I'm not gonna do the whole page. So I'm just gonna take off 7 centimeters, and then I'm gonna cut up to where I made that slit. Using my scissors, just follow that pencil line as best as you can. Okay, there we go. So now I have that, and you can move your blue piece somewhere else. You don't need it anymore. So you actually don't really need this ruler for the rest of cutting and stuff. You can just move that aside as well. What I like to do is take the piece that we just cut out and we'll just make sure you press it down. You can use the ruler if you want, or you can just take the last piece and just trace it out on the edge of your new piece. Okay, so now I have this pencil line, way better, way easier to see on this yellow paper. I'm just going to cut out that, and yeah. So we'll try to stay on the pencil line as best as you can. Sometimes it's hard. Here we go. So now we have 2 strips, and they're the same size. You don't need your yellow piece anymore, you can discard it. Now you can take your last piece, and you're just going to continue this on the rest. And that's all. Line it up good. One. Whoopsie, I went a little down the line. That's okay. I'm just gonna erase this. And go. Well, I've gotten that. I'm just gonna cut it now. There we go. And then I'm just gonna keep going. Oops. I love rainbows. Rainbows are so pretty. Does anybody know how rainbows happen? Because I actually do not. How do random colors, I guess not random, how do they perfectly line up in a little rainbow? That's a good Google question. Or maybe somebody can figure it out for me while we're doing this. Now I got 4 colors. Now I got 4 more to go. Ooh. Rainbows are formed when sunlight is scattered from raindrops into the eyes of an observer. The lower the sun in the sky, the more of an arc of a rainbow the viewer will see. Rain, fog, or some other source of water droplets must be in front of the viewer. Wow! That is so cool! So, like, really, it's all in the person that's seeing it. That's what it sounds like to me. That is so fun. Wow. I did not know that. I feel like I learned when I was little how rainbows were formed, like the whole science behind it, but I definitely don't remember that. So that was a good refresher. Thank you. And a good lesson learned for people who maybe don't know that information. That's so cool. Okay, I'm getting a little off the line. My bad. Just cut it off. There for 5 colors. 6 colors. Ooh, simplified. Rainbows are formed when light shines through, when the sun shines through the rain. Whoa, the light is bent. Oh yes, light can bend. It's so cool. I actually remember doing an experiment. So many experiments in grade 4 now that I'm thinking about it with science. If you put a pencil in water, the light will bend it, even though the pencil is straight. So if you put a pencil in a cup of water and you look at it through the side of the glass, it actually looks like it's on a bent angle. And that is all caused by the light in the water. So cool. Crazy how what light can do. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Now we're just gonna cut this out. There we go. Now we're at 6, 7 here. So as you can see, the colors I'm using are, I tried to get as close to the rainbow colors as possible with what I had. It's totally okay if you want to do yours like all one color of strips or like different shades of the same color maybe, or like a pattern of colors. That's totally cool too. It's your craft, however you want to do it. Okay, I'm gonna make this one Roy Jibiv. Yeah, that's the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. I? What's I? Why can't I remember I? Indigo? And violet? Is that it? Woohoo! I think I remembered. Okay. We're cutting out green in the Roy G. Biv colors. Yes. Bookstore. Yes, indigo. Not sure what that means. Is it a book? Is that what you mean? Okay, so now we have the last color here. And we're gonna, oh no. This tracing situation is getting to me here. You gotta really press the paper down if you're doing this one. Just get your lines straight. I keep messing up. I'm just erasing the mess up lines so I don't like go off cutting somewhere I'm not supposed to. Because I will definitely do that. Can't do that. Oh, bookstore. Got you. Bookstore, indigo. I didn't even put that together. Wow. But, thanks for the hint. Okay. So now we're on the last color. And, now we're gonna grab those 4 black circles we had and our strips. We can move our scissors and our pencil. We're gonna grab our skewer and a glue stick, and make sure you have your hot glue nearby. Okie doke. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to take one circle. And what I did at first, I wanted it to go in the rainbow order. So, but I have like pink in here. So it's not going to be the perfect rainbow order because pink is not a part of the rainbow. But that's okay. Ooh, it just got dark in my house. The sun went away. So now I'm just gonna get them in order the way that I want. I think we're gonna do yellow. No, wait. Yellow. Ah! Green. Teal. Or indigo, I guess we'll call it, but it's not really indigo. Blue. And purple. So as you can see, I just put them in the order that I wanted. Some of them are sticking up here, but that's okay. We're going to paste them down. So, okay. Take your glue stick, and you're just going to take the little edge underside of one of the first ones that you want to paste down, and just glue it down. Okay. And then I'm actually gonna do the 4 here first, and then I'm gonna add in those other ones. So we'll do orange next. Take just the little, like a little tab of it, pretty much. lots of glue, and then just glue it down there. And here we go. Okay. Just glue in the tab. Glue in the tab. Okay, so now that I've got them down, I'm gonna add in those other colors. So we're gonna put pink here. I'm actually gonna just do it right down the circle. It's probably easier. Just glue the extra glue that like kind of like pushes out from under. I like to just push down with my finger. Why not use it and not waste it? Do that, and then we'll do the yellow. Okay, and then we have our pretty blue. Then we're gonna do our purple. Oh! And voila! We've gotten them all pasted down. Now we're gonna take another circle. We're just going to glue the whole thing covered in glue. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And we're just gonna paste it, line it up with the circle underneath, and you're just gonna like sandwich it, make it into like a little cookie. And there you go. So now we have the one part. Now for the next part, we're going to do the same thing, but you're gonna bring those ends up, and then you're just gonna glue them on the underneath, as so. So I'm gonna put some glue on this tab, and then I'm just gonna line it up. Okay, and there you go. Voila. Okay, so then I'm just gonna, I'll take the green, actually I'll take the orange, take the one across, put some glue. So when you like pick it up and flip it over, that's the side that you're gonna glue, like the underside of it, so then it can go like that, and then it'll just like look like that. But we're not done. I'm gonna take the red. You're just gonna do it on every single one. Okay, do it on the green now. Thank you, Nemo. I appreciate it. Oh yes, Sarah Scooby, so sorry I didn't see your comment when I was erasing, but yes. Thank goodness for erasers, because, man, I'd be wasting a lot of paper. Bringing the rest of those colors up. Okay, 2 more colors left. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, now, last color. Yay. Okay, so now you're gonna have like a color ball. It's gonna be so fun and bouncy. I'm just gonna move my computer down so you don't don't need to see what I'm doing down there anymore. Hello! We can put the lid on our glue stick. And now you're going to need your... Oh, wait! Don't put your lid on your glue stick yet. We missed the part! Can't forget our last circle. I think I blew my eye. It's not good. Don't get glue on your eye. You're going to... I'm just gluing it down again. And then, on the side that you just glued down, as you can kind of see in there, I'm just going to stick it. Oops. See, the purple came undone. And you're just going to line it up and do the same thing just so they all stay down. Okie doke. And then from here, I just want to bend them all so it's not like basketball-y. And this one, we'll just bend them all. Find that they move more fun and wispy if you do it this way. So now that you have this, okay, you're going to very, 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 very carefully poke a hole with your skewer through it. Okay, you can kind of see I got it through. If you need help, please ask a parent for help. I suggest that you ask maybe somebody anyway for help on that one because it's a little pointy. Okay, so now you're just going to send it through. Try to get the middle on the other side as best as you can. And just poke it through. It pokes through pretty easily. Okay. And you're just going to leave it there. Now you're going to take your hot glue gun. Hot glue gun is got web coming from it. And you're just gonna hot glue that skewer in place as best as you can. I'm just twirling the skewer as I'm gluing, and that really helped get it everywhere I need it to. Okay, there's hot glue. I'm just gonna blow on it. Don't touch it. This is hot. Okay, guys? And if you can, try to get on the inside and glue it down too. Just so it has some structure. Okay, so now that you've hot glued it, and I hope that you waited for it to dry, you have your rainbow spinner. Oh man! That's what happens when you don't wait for it to dry. But anyway, guys, that's how you make your rainbow spinners. I hope that this was easy enough to follow along, and I hope that you guys got to complete your own as well at home. I had so much fun making this. There we go, got it. Yeah, so make sure you tune in during the week. We are going to be doing lots of other videos for Color Me Crazy theme, so make sure you check us out on Facebook all week. And yeah, bye guys, hope you have fun with your rainbow spinners. See ya.